You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly from science. If you want to learn more vocabulary that is confusing like this, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Yes, it is normally pronounced as English pronunciation, the most common pronunciation in English, chelate. Okay, now the Merriam-Webster dictionary in particular also references the pronunciation as chelate, and yes, I've also seen quite a few people reference this pronunciation as well. So more commonly it's pronounced chelate, and if you go with chelate, stress on the key syllable, you're absolutely correct. Now if you've heard somebody say chelate, yes, I believe it is also used and somewhat correct. And now you know. So chelated, that would be chelated and chelated. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.